Just a quickie on a Radtel 910B, the Bluetooth model. We got another one because I ended up burning up the battery trying to use a universal charger on the back, and I did the polarity wrong, so it's not really labeled. And by the time I figured out something was wrong, it already was smoking, a blue smoke trick. So a guy on eBay had these, and it's like, man, $18 for the battery or $24 to get a battery and a whole new radio. Well, I'm going to buy the whole new radio for $24 and get a second one. So we got that there. Here's my old one. These are just fun. The only thing you got to get used to is the banks. You can only put so many frequencies before it starts adding them to a new bank. So you hit the pound down here. And then you got your other banks. I got like the different bands on there. Like I got CB. Where's my OK button? Got CB on there. And then I got like 6 meters on the next one. You can do it however you want. You just got to cap it off because at a certain point, it goes to a new bank. So if you want to keep everything on a new bank, I think it's like 64 or 62. I don't know. So many channels before it goes to the new bank automatically. And you're not allowed to like change the banks. So you got to just keep the frequencies within the certain range. That's how you do it. So yeah, not a bad looking radio. We got the custom Burt Gummer boot up. It's got the Frog Roger chirp, tone 1200. It's got like mic gain on there, noise reduction, not bad. You know, if you can get one for like 30, you're doing good. Really nice radio. We'll do an addendum going into it a little bit more and talking about output power and that on these. I hooked it up and they were doing, I think it was doing just over 5 watts on high power. So it's this is a good build. Some of them it does under 5 or depends on what your battery is, but this one was punching over 5. So we'll have another video going down over it more and hooking it up to a watt meter in the future once I get my connectors and that.